let's check again after 30 minutes. Already 30 minutes. So I'm sure this is already baked or cooked. Now we check by toothpick. So it's okay now. My carrot cake toppings with desiccated coconut, sesame seeds, and flakes of walnuts. Mag-grate tayo ng carrots for carrot cake. 1 kilogram yata ito. So start na tayong mag-grate para sa carrot cake. These are all ingredients of carrot cake. So I grate this one. I did not use all. So this is 3 cups. 3 cups of grated carrots like this. And 3 cups of all-purpose flour. 2 eggs. Evaporated milk, half cup. And sugar, 1 cup. And baking powder, half tablespoon. And 1 teaspoon of salt. So I will mix all this one here ingredients here. I add more organic fresh buffalo milk, so I put more this one here because not enough this milk, evaporated milk. I have 3 kinds of paper cake. So this one is 24 pieces, and this one 36 pieces, and this 40 pieces. So I use this kind of tray. I put already oil here, and I put also toppings, toasted desiccated coconut, and flakes, organic walnuts, and sesame seeds. So this is already batter of carrot cake. So first I think I will use this one. This is circle. And thank you so much sa nag-sponsor nito from Anonymous Family. Last week nagpadala din siya ng ng mga items like this rutina bag, tapos yung bag pack ni Fatma, tapos 1 set of brush, tapos kung ano-ano pa yung pinadala. Bed sheet, tapos yung Vaseline, and then yung yung lipstick para sa sa lips for winter. And then ano pa ba yung pinadala niya? Yung yung agarbati. So ito na lang yung ating gagamitin. Kasi circle ito. Kasi ito yung triangle, rectangle. Triangle ito. So ito na lang kasi circle siya. Ayan. Baka pwede ito. Ayan. Ayan. Ayusin natin. Although this is already mixed, but I have to mix again for a while. Then I will put in tray. Now we can put now here in tray. Buhos na natin. Now we'll put now this toasted desiccated coconut. This is optional. I have extra. I have too much desiccated coconut because it's sponsor from Angel. So I will put more. And then this sesame seeds. This is also optional. Ay, ito nagtumpok. Enough. This is enough. And also this one. Flake walnuts. This is also optional. We have organic walnuts, so that's why I will put also. So this is ready to bake now in my unique oven. I will leave this one for 30 minutes or 1 hour. Sand is already hot, so I will put now this tray of carrot cake. Now let's check. Baking carrot cake after 15 minutes. This is already the result, but it's still not baked or not cooked.